what could have been done to prevent what happened in Newtown?
There's a lot of speculation. We don't know what his diagnosis was. You know, Asperger's, which a lot of people are throwing around, is not linked to violence.
And it's not a mental
Autism,
health.
yeah, it's a developmental issue. Autism is not linked to violence. Personality disorders, there's a lot of things being thrown out. And I think part of the problem is we're stigmatizing mental illness right now. 1 in 5 American adults in any given year has a mental health issue, whether it is depression, anxiety, or a psychotic disorder.
And the other 4 out of 5 either have had mental health issues or will have mental health issues.
Or know somebody who has one. I mean,
Right.
Nobody can say that hasn't touched their family, but there's a lot of stigma and there's a lack of access to services for kids and adults.
Now, we've talked about stigma a lot on this show. Let's get off of stigma a little bit. Let's talk more about what kinds of things, if this happened in Montgomery County and you were able to see this person beforehand, what are some things, what are some opportunities that we'd have to try to divert that?
Well, there's lots of programs out there. We have a Voices versus Violence program at MHA, which helps kids that are adjudicated. We have a hotline where, you know, when people are isolated
Hotline. What do people call for that hotline? What would they do?
People call for everything.
Do you have a number?
Sure.
Is there a number on here? Is it the hotline or is it the Mental Health Association?
It's the Montgomery County hotline.
Okay.
It's 301-738-2255, which is a call. We also have crisischat.org. People these days are more comfortable reaching out online, and that's a way for somebody who is particularly isolated or has, you know, issues with social interaction, might be the first step for saying, hey, I need help, I need to reach out.
I'm sorry I interrupted, but I want to make sure we had that resource. So somebody could contact that.
Yeah, crisischat.org. It's
right?
chatting online, just like GChat or any sort of online chat. And they can say, you know, I'm isolated, I'm having these feelings, you know, I'm struggling. And parents and loved ones, people who might be concerned, you know, had perhaps his mom reached out for help and support, might have made a big difference.